the miracle pilot. For the simple reason, about a year and a half ago, Jason was in a bad accident. He actually tore his aorta. He's one of the few people, like the only person I know that's ever lived. Was aerobatic? It was not. They rushed to the hospital. They didn't expect him to make it from the crash scene to the hospital, but he did, and he's here flying for us a year and a half later, doing a great job. Jets placed #1 in a competition over in South Jersey about 2 weeks ago. He is fortunate he's flying intermediate class now in aerobatics.
Does it work though? Does it take pictures?
Yeah, it takes the picture and stores it, and then it'll turn the camera. That's why for 3 seconds.
Okay. Weird.
Now, Jason was just 10 years old when he first took the controls from his dad, and his dad's out here watching him fly. I really, his brother's out here too today. Jason runs that airshow, so let me show you this on the box. If he wants to be in the box, he's going to call me with music on. We're playing a whole bunch of fingers doing everything out there to keep music on, keep the airshow boss in line, because that's difficult to do at times too. Now throughout Jason's show, he kicked, screamed, and begged and cried to go flying with his dad, which took the seat. He got to fly the airplane a little bit. He flew an S2A pit special. He soloed on his 16th birthday back in September 23, 2006. Not just one airplane, but he soloed with 4 different airplanes. Piper Cutlass, Piper Super Bird, Piper Now the Pitts aircraft is out of town. Designed by Curtis Pitts years ago back in the late 40s, early 50s. Curtis Pitts designed the first single-place airplane. Been a progression of improved the aircraft over the past 60 years, making what it is today, a high-performance airplane. This particular airplane that Jason flies, an S1S, carbon airplane, 69 in excess of 200 horsepower. It's being pulled through the air by a Cato 3-bladed composite propeller. This airplane is not just a one-of-the-mill stock S1S. It's got about 50 modifications on it from the factory S1S aircraft. That was right out of the box. That was Dad Joe flying. Also going to be one of the biggest airplane things on the aircraft. So the bark, you hear the sound of the aircraft. It's not so much the engine, it's the prop. That 3-bladed Cato prop is making different sounds as it pulls that aircraft through the sky. As Jason comes out of 45 per down line, he's pulling that airplane down. Now, I get to say 45 per down line when you're doing judging. In an aerobatic competition, you have to fly a 45-degree line. I'm not talking 50 degree or 40. I'm talking 45 degree. And again, the judges have things out there, sight boards they're looking at through that sight board, watching the airplane before, making sure they have that 45-degree down line. And a vertical up. South takes demonstrates 4-point hesitation with stock in airplane rotation every 90 degrees. Right in, John, 4 times 90 is 360, which is 1 time around.
I think
Okay,
you got
I got
that.
that right.
You did that right. I didn't use your fingers.
And Jason pulls up, stops up, vertical penetration, kicks that hard left rudder from a hammerhead turnaround, the hook in the sky. Keep that airplane within inside the air show box for us in San Purdue. Now Jason. Rolls the airplane into a 45, a vertical line, excuse me. Point rolls the airplane, see the top side of this beautiful S1S split. Smoke comes back on again, the hard left rudder for the hammerhead turn. You kick the hard left rudder, look, touch the right hand rudder, keep that airplane from rolling over on its back. Keep that airplane on that straight. Kitty Flacker, we need you to announce the stand, please. Kitty Flacker, fourth announcer stand. Jason on top of that loop with 1 snap on top. That's what's called the avalanche. 1 snap roll on top of the loop of the avalanche. Where you double snap roll, don't be what? The double avalanche. Jason this month, thanks to Jenny Aviation's Restorations. That's his dad's #1 sponsor. Always had his mom and dad. Also want to thanks US Aviation. At Crosswinds Flight School, we learned to fly. Cross Keys Airport, that's 17 November. And of course, Cato Props. The umbrella in front of his S1S aircraft. And a big thanks again goes to the builder of the aircraft down in Texas. The aircraft was built. There's a Cato Prop market for you. Jason was everything forward. Now that engine stock will turn about 2,700 RPM. Jason will turn around about 3,200 RPM. In a dive, let the thing feel the airspeed and how they runs and pulls the airplane vertical. Now he's upright. Now watch Jason spin his airplane. This is the upright flat spin. This killed many a problem we learned when they got into it. Couldn't understand how to get out of the upright flat spin or the inverted flat spin. He does a triple upright flat spin. It's a bit easy. All the pilots with the smoke hole system, they don't put just enough smoke hole system in the aircraft, what they need for the routine, because weight is a penalty to any aerobatic airplanes. They have strength for the airplane just as light as you can. So I need 5 gallons, I put 5 gallons in about 6. That's about 7 pounds out there for smoke oil. Jason pulls up the sun smoke, we put a hanger prop one more time. I see the bottom side of the aircraft with that hammerhead turnaround. Now all of our pilots are doing the hammerheads to the left because they use the torque of the engine. This one is the right side of the airplane to the left.
See, that's a whole bunch of smoke rings.
Now if you pull the quarter out of your pocket, pull up there, you're going to see how nice Jason just pulled the little round corner storm a loop for us. Go ahead, Greg, pull the quarter out, take a look. All right, try the 50-cent piece. Jason pulls up, snots up, penetration, backs that through spin. I lost him in the spin with the tail slide or torque. I believe it's a tail slide out there. He actually gets the airplane flying backwards down the smoke. You gotta get a tight grip on the stick, push on it. Most want to go at the same time as tumbles aircraft across the sky. When you're doing that tail slide, you start running backwards. Airflow is going the opposite way across your control surfaces, and it will put that stick right under your engine. Ease back 6, 3.5 to 4 pods. Have a snap roll the inverter. Keep pulling back around. Jason Burton, the right hand side of the airshow box, stocks up for time again, left hammerhead turn around. Points of those base strength back down in the ground. Trade the element gears. We snap rolls very play 2 times, right? So 1 3/4 times around. Back on air show. Snap outside, nose over tail, wingtip over wingtip, then tumble through the sky as Mr. Jason flooded his S1S prop propeller. Yeah, S1S aircraft, the Cato prop. Anchor camera's ready. Jason Flood comes through with a nice photo ops for you. I think I can make 2 photo passes for us today. There's #1, got the Cato prop marker going out there. Kitty Flackerton out just there, please. Kitty Flackerton out just there, please.
As Jason Flood is on downwind and turning base and landing the pit test 1. The next thing we're going to fly are some of the smaller aircraft today out here. If you look out towards the runway, you'll see the interesting collection of scale model aircraft, and those will be flying next for us. They have quite a variety today, including another jet, believe it or not. So just stick with us here. We'll get Jason back on the ground, make sure he gets all the applause that he's due, and then we'll go to the smaller airplanes.
You see that rudder bouncing back and forth. He's dancing on the rudder pedals even before he's on the ground. Jason side flips the airplane down, short final touches down the runway, and you side flip the airplane. There's no flaps on the airplane to help slow it down. So actually kick a right rudder, left rudder, keep the airplane going straight down the runway until you get to it. Use the side